A fearless leopard risks life and limb for a meal, getting up close to a monster Nile crocodile. The incredible scenes were shot by a tourist staying at Mafui Lodge in Zambia. After approaching what appeared to be a dead impala lying next to a log, a shocked tour group realised it was in fact a crocodile which had wandered far from the river. The group from the bush camp company in Mafui witnessed a tense moment. A young male leopard leaned in close for a bite. But the enormous crocodile wasn't in the mood to share and quickly made off with the spoils.